What's going on, guys? This is gonna be a short and sweet video. This is gonna break on every Honda Accord. Yeah, it's wrapped up in a mask because the button keeps shooting out of it. And that is a chicken sandwich. I got a used one right here, and yeah, the buttons like to shoot out. Get your headlight, turn it on, so you have some light. And let's unwrap this knob. I'm looking at the shift knob, and as you can see, this part likes to just shoot out. And once it shoots out, you can't put it in drive, okay? Because you need to be able to push it in, okay? So if it shoots out onto the floor, there's actually a little spring in here. It can get all jammed up. Once that happens, your parents can get pretty stranded, and they'll call you in the middle of the night, tell you to come help them with their car. So if your parents drive a Honda Accord 03, you go take a look at this and go get them a new shift knob, okay? And that's what I have here. So to take this shift knob off, go ahead and turn the key forward without starting it, and push the knob in if you can. We're gonna put it all the way down and to first, and back here are some Phillips screws in the very back of it. Just undo that, and the knob will just pull right up. Put these over here, get a little bit of juice going on. I want to get the COVID. Go ahead, just slide this dude right off. And then you can just slide the new one right on there. And just put the screws back in it. It's that easy.